Welcome back to Earn with Jawad 786. So, in our last video, we were discussing about affiliate marketing and how it is done, and every detail I have mentioned, not in so much detail, but I have given a brief overview that how we can start with affiliate marketing. If anybody haven't watched that last video, go and watch first and then move in sequentially and start learning. If you miss out the sequence, then obviously it will bring a hurdles for you to learn about digital marketing. So now social media marketing, in this topic we will be discussing about Facebook, Instagram, etc. So we can say, for example, that social media marketing is the backbone of digital marketing, or it's a good and tool, man important tool of digital marketing. I will be reading for you that what is it about and how we can do start with social media marketing. Social media marketing is the practice of increasing website traffic. Obviously, it is the mostly demanded job that everyone, especially the huge business, huge industries, are looking to bring the website traffic, and you can do SEO. You can apply SEO if you are expert in search engine optimization techniques. Then obviously this job is for you. And brand recognition through online interaction. You may promote your business, goods, services, culture, and more via social media marketing. Concentrating on social media marketing can be beneficial because billions of people use social media platforms to interact. Obviously, everyone, whether it's related to workers, whether it's related to marketers, whether it is related to each person, no matter what, he is rich, he is middle class, or he belong to any class, everyone is on social media. Especially if I talk about Facebook, everyone, every single person, children, even children, it is 18 plus or below 18 or 17 or 16, they are willing to use or willing to post some content, or some fun or entertainment content on Facebook. So we will dive into the detail. Sorry for that. Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are the most widely used digital channels for social media marketing, followed closely by LinkedIn and YouTube. The social media channels you use for your business ultimately depend on your objective and target market. For instance, targeting your audience on LinkedIn is a fantastic idea. Yeah, if you want to get new leads for your fintech firm because professionals in the field are active there. On the other hand, if your brand runs a B2C, which is the business to consumer or customer or client with a younger consumer focus, Instagram social media ads can be preferable for your business. Social media marketing has gained popularity because it encourages engaged audience participation. At 96%, it is the most common content format for business to customer digital marketer, and it is also becoming more popular in the B2B sector, business to business sector. The Content Marketing Institute reports that 61% of business to business content marketers use social media more this year. Built-in engagement metrics in social media marketing are quite helpful for letting you know how well you are connecting with your audience. You get to choose which interactions, like the quantity of shares, remarks, or overall clicks to your website, mean the most to you. You can do research, you can see analytics related to website. So, according to the analytics, you can observe the data and analysis you can make. Your social media marketing plan may not even have direct purchase as one of its objectives. Many firms utilize social media marketing to engage people in conversation rather than pressuring them to make an immediate purchase. Brands that cater to older audiences or provide goods and services unsuitable for impulse purchases are particularly prone to this. Everything depends on the social media marketing objective of your business. I mean, everything. It's essential to adhere to best practices in order to develop a social media marketing plan that is successful. The mission. Some of the most significant social media marketing best practices are listed below. Some of the basic points I have gathered for you. So, create entertaining content, which I have discussed earlier, that is the highest caliber response to queries and comments in a professional manner, not like "Hi, how are you?" or and if it is, for example, post related to rainy weather, or it is a post related to some animation, and you are commenting there, "Hey, it's a nice post, I like your post." This is not a right manner to comment. You can see comment that, "Hey, how are you? Hope you are fine there, and I like your post." Or you can comment in a very professional and ethical manner. Make a schedule for posting on social media. Okay, right. If we talk about the current situation, everybody is busy in their routine. No one has so much time to create post on and start posting daily, or if there is a issue of not being consistent on these platforms, then obviously some tools I'm going to mention, like if we go towards basic tool, then we can talk about Canva tool. In Canva portion, you will find that different type of apps which are connected in Canva. If you are buying Canva and using those tools for scheduling your content, then it will benefit you a lot. Whether you are creating content in night, late night, or in morning, then you are going to schedule accordingly, on which you are required to do post on your social media platform. So it's a very beneficial for you to schedule the content and start posting, and being consistent, you will obviously get a better and best outcomes, I guarantee. So next is post when it's appropriate. Obviously there are timings in different countries. You can imply or implement different timings, but if I talk about me, then or I talk about Pakistan, or I talk about USA, there is a big difference in timing. So if you are posting your content in a very earlier morning time, the best time to post is from 6 a.m. till 10 a.m. This is the best and effective time on which you can start posting. Or later on, if we talk about the most effective time, is the night time, which start from 8 or 9 p.m. and onwards. So these are the most important time on which you can start posting. Every country depends and work according to the different time. You can observe and start implementing. Employ social media managers to aid your marketing campaigns. Okay, there are a lot and huge demand in freelancing, or whether it's on-site or off-site job. Social media managers are always in demand. As I have mentioned, that everyone is busy in working and doing hustling hard, so they are unable to get free time to post. So they hire social media manager to manage their platforms and to manage their content creation according to their demand, according to their requirement, according to the client requirement. And they also start marketing and creating campaigns according to the client requirement. So the social media managers are in a huge demand nowadays. Start learning, start implementing. If you are completing your course in social media marketing, then start implementing or start working as social media manager. I guarantee you will get a good and huge ROI. So understand your audience. Understanding your audience is very important for you, because if you don't know about audience, that what they are watching, what they are watching, the reels content, and what they are going to, or they are watching within their core interest, then you need a research that start posting content different format. Like first day you will create image which is related to animation or cartoon, or it is funny. Then start watching its analytics. You will start comparing with those analytics, and start posting and creating content daily. Consistent is the main key in making you successful in the content creation, or as a social media marketer. So start doing that and observe your audience, target your audience, which is and the social media platform where they are most active. Okay, and number one, understand your audience. Number two, observe those social media platforms where the users are mostly active. If I talk about myself, on LinkedIn there are many profiles you will find inactive. You will see that the profile is good enough to send connection request, but if you go and or dive into his detail or her detail, or see his complete profile and compare the dates of posting, then you can analyze that whether this person is active or inactive. So it is very necessary to keep in mind that person is active, and start engaging with those person, and start your the social media marketing with those with in a very humble and kind way. So these were the important points related to social media marketing. Now I hope that you will clearly understanding or clear your concept regarding social media marketing, that how we can start doing this, and how we can start implementing or working as a recognizable social media marketer. So this lecture ends here, and further, before ending my lecture video, don't forget to subscribe on with Jawad 786, and click on bell notification icon, so that when I will be going to upload very beneficial videos, so it will notify you. So until then, take your best care, and we will be coming with an other topic, which is Google Ads. It's very we will give an overview and see what and how we can work on Google Ads. So thank you very much.